The traditional fit-out approach has a lot of limitations. First, all the staff need to be relocated. Then comes permits, commercial builders, high-cost materials, delays, usually up to 8 months, and typical cost of up to $3,000 per meter. But that's not the end of it. At the end of the lease, all of this needs to be thrown away to landfill with make-good costs typically $540 per meter. But this is the past. Now there is a better way. The evolution of office partitions, using cubes, which are bespoke soundproof offices and meeting rooms, and can be installed in a few days without interruption to your team. Flexspace cubes can be ordered in nearly any size, with disability compliance and often no permit needed. And better still, when the lease ends, cubes can be quickly packed up and relocated or sold to another business. They can even be financed. No make-good costs needed, and no landfill. Talk to us today and find out how to save 30 to 50% on your fit-out project.